welcome. This is Stardust Elfie, and today we're gonna do a double unboxing. And I have a small box and like a medium box, and we'll try to open this one first. Actually, the one that sold me on this is because it has like a pretty good size for a brooch. And let's open it together. And it looked like this. Like, it is so pretty. It is in champagne gold hardware that you can also pass it as silver if you're gonna wear it with your silver jewelries. So this is the barcode, and this is the 19K. So this is the 19K collection for this fall and winter, and it is $525 US. And this is really huge. So my SA told me that this brooch usually priced, like in the past, like this size of brooch usually ranges from 800 or more. And it is in leather and pearl design, and it's really pretty. And then at the back, there's like the Chanel markings here, which is very small, and it looks like it has been lasered. I'm planning to wear this with my winter jackets and coats. Like, it really looks pretty on. See, like, it is so huge. Like, it's just so big. And I love that this leather like complements the pearl. Like, it looks dressier and casual at the same time that you can put it on any of your outfits. And I'm so excited to wear this winter. And the other one is this box. I'm so excited to open this, and let's open it together. So I guess you have guessed what kind of purse is this based on the size of the box. So let's see if your guesses are right. And this is what it looks like. And this is this lipstick red Chanel walk-in caviar and in champagne gold hardware. It is so pretty. Like, it was love at first sight when I saw this. Like, it is just so pretty. So we'll open it up, and the surprise is inside, guys. Like, wait till you see it. Look at this! So it's in magnet. And look at the zipper. So they updated the zipper. I'm thinking of getting a reissue or a Chanel mini, but when I saw this zipper and the magnetic closure and the color, like, it is just so pretty that I went home with this instead. This is what it looks like up close. This lipstick red color is just so pretty, and the champagne gold hardware just complements it. This magnetic lock closure is just a nice revision to the previous lock that it has. And it has also updated this zipper pull, which is now in gold hardware and flat with CC logo at the end. That could prevent any dents on the caviar leather. And this leather is just so puffy, and it looks well made and durable, and I'm really enjoying this. I've never thought that I would love a lipstick red. I don't know, as I'm maturing, I'm drawn into red color, and it's just crazy. So let's see if I can find here. So this is the authenticity card, and this is the barcode. So this is the 19B collection, and the price is this. This is just a bright red, but not really that bright. So it looks the same as, this is a classic walk And I am just glad to have this updated style that they have. Like it's flat, like it doesn't protrude here anymore, that when you close it, it might cause an indentation a little bit, but since this part is now flat instead of having a little protrusion here, you really see an improvement to your wallet on chains. And yeah, so I am just so happy with this, guys. Again, thank you for sharing this unboxing with me, and may all of you have a wonderful day. Please like this video if you like it, and I hope you will subscribe. So I'll see you again next time. For those returning subscribers, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. And may all of you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.